Red Fox Studio and Ammo present a new series of sets to radically improve the level of detail and realism of aircraft cockpits in various scales. All of the panels offered by Red Fox Studio are 3D printed from acrylic resin. Red Fox Studio offers cockpit upgrades for the most popular aircraft models. Each set contains everything required to add the highest level of realism to the cockpits of your model aircraft. The instructions are clear and simple, making assembly easy and enjoyable. The areas colored in blue are the details to be eliminated from the model. In the next step, we will show you how to glue each 3D piece in place. Traditional methods and kit parts can't compete with the realism of these innovative instrument panels. A common hobby knife is used to remove each piece from its support. All dials have a glossy finish that accurately imitates glass. The colors and detailing used for each of the instruments is based on in-depth research of the real aircraft. Each set is designed for a specific model, ensuring a perfect fit. The exploded view has been studied to make the assembly as easy as possible while using the minimum number of parts. Each masterpiece from Red Fox Studio will save you a considerable amount of time, allowing you to super detail cockpits in far less time than usual. The next video will feature a detailed step-by-step example. Don't miss it.